मन पर प्रभाव पैदा करने वाला पूरा प्लानिंग, उसका एग्जीक्यूशन, और सरकार भी इस ऊंचाई के काम कर सकती है जिसके लिए बहुत गर्व होता है, वैसी व्यवस्था। और मैं मानता हूं कि आज का ये अवसर भारत के म्यूजियम की दुनिया में एक बहुत बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट लेकर के आएगा, ऐसा मेरा पक्का विश्वास है।
Unique initiative.
देखकर काफी अच्छा लग रहा है।
I'm really thrilled to be a part of this.
আজি ইয়াতে আহি খুব ভাল লাগিছে।
Amazing.
रोमांचक है,
बहुत अच्छा है।
म्यूजियम नाल कंसर्न जिन्ने भी लोग हैं उन्हां दा महाकुंभ है।
With the aim to prioritize the preservation of our country's heritage and pave the way for a vibrant museum movement, the Ministry of Culture under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav organized the world's first of its kind and largest international Museum Expo 2023 at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi on the occasion of the 47th International Museum Day. The three-day global event, which was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, promoted the theme of museums, sustainability and well-being, and saw participation from 1100 plus museums. International museum experts, curators, conservationists, vendors, workshops, panel discussions, film shows and more. Among the major highlights was the launch of key elements related to the occasion. It included the unveiling of the mascot, a walkthrough of the upcoming National Museum at the North and South Blocks, a graphic novel titled A Day at the Museum, a pocket map of Kartavya Path, a set of 75 museum cards and more. The International Museum Expo not only brought the best of national and international museums and history under one roof, but gave visitors a fun peek into our glorious heritage. Among the major crowd puller was the excavation pit where people could get into the trench and uncover the layers of sand surrounding the artifacts. Virtual tour zones, dark room, cultural performances and more. The enthusiastic response of visitors from all walks of life provided a glimpse into how the power of art and culture can bridge the divide, transcend boundaries, and bring people together to learn from our past.
Namaste. We are guests from Russia. We are happy to take part in this beautiful exhibition.
I'm delighted to be here. Incredibly informative, really inspiring, and obviously networking with museum colleagues.
The museum world is an ecosystem, very, very rich and very dense. I can feel the energy and the vibes.
It's our pleasure and honor to participate in this great event, and we would like to congratulate Indian people with this really great initiative.
It's a wonderful opportunity to exchange ideas.
The best thing here, exploring India within 3 days.
To give visitors at the expo opportunities to learn, explore, and appreciate different aspects of human history, culture, and creativity. Our world-renowned museums' curated galleries displayed star collections, interactive kiosks, and bespoke experiences.
यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ म्यूजियम का कैसे इन्होंने एकीकरण किया है.
India is a land where technology does a lot of breakthrough inventions.
The expo was the platform for showcasing the newest technology being adopted by museums globally. For the same, Technolab had more than 55 booths displaying the future of light, sound, conservation, projection mapping and gaming experiences at museums. Museums are repositories of our rich ancient heritage that connects our past with the present. And in the last few years, conscious efforts have been made to bring back our lost antiquities and promote our pride by creating museums that immortalize the contribution of states and tribal leaders or communities in our freedom struggle.
The government is taking various initiatives of creating museums for tribal leaders, for the tribal freedom fighters.
The International Museum Expo 2023 was just the beginning. As we move ahead in Amrit Kaal with the resolve of Vikas Bhi, Virasat Bhi, taking pride in our heritage and developing new cultural infrastructure can act as an inspiration and give the youth of today a sense of duty towards the future.
यही हमारी संस्कृति है जो हमें एक्चुअली इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में अवेयर कर सकती है.
And this connect has been fantastic for us.
It's going to be a trendsetter. I hope it keeps going on.
This is a beginning, it's a first of many more to come.
Our great Prime Minister who has given so much to the development of museums in the country.
हमारी विरासत वैश्विक एकता, वर्ल्ड यूनिटी का भी सूत्रधार बनती है और इसलिए इस विरासत को संजाने वाले हमारे म्यूजियम्स की भूमिका भी और ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है.